Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, punch presses, welders, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice machine. This is a Strippit Super 3030 30-ton single-end punch. You'll notice the C-frame shape gives you a nice deep throat to be able to put your material into. This is basically the machine before they built the Armada turret. It's going to give you a wide array of different dies you can put in here, squares, slots, rounds, punch your own initials out, whatever you can have made to put into a die there, and it'll go ahead and punch it. Very simple. Go through pretty thick metal. It's also got, if you notice, this rear back gauge system. This is going to allow you to move the back gauge in and out. It's got a bunch of micro fingers on here, so you can really set up a nice jig system, put your piece in there, keep shuffling it down, whatever you need to do to really increase your production. We'll go ahead and start this machine. That's going to start your motor and everything turning. You see with our foot pedal, it's a very small movement. It's just going to get just enough to go ahead and make that hole, just like your paper hole puncher. Right now we have it on single punch. Nice, clean, perfect hole right there. So again, depending on the die that you're going to have in here, you can do all types of different cutting. Now some people can put a different die in there, maybe a square die, set it on nibble, which is a really cool feature on these machines. And what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and go like a sewing machine, which is going to allow you to basically nibble off any part you need. You get the idea here. You can follow a line with your jigs, run it straight with the square cut, and you can go ahead and cut off any piece you need. So it's really a really nice machine to go ahead and give you a lot of different options, especially in the punching. It can do some nice heavy punching. As I say, the next step up would be something CNC. We have something right here that's actually a CNC machine. This again is a single end punch. Right here it has a CNC automatic moving table, which moves the table around. It's going to go ahead and move it for each sheet for any cut that you're doing. But it's a very similar machine. This one just happens to have a CNC controller so you can set it up. So depending on what you're looking for production-wise, if you're looking for something that's automated, that can go into a full turret Armada, we can help you with that. Or if you want something simple, something small for the shop that has a lot of different options you can put in with all the tooling, this might be great for you. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com for a complete inventory and some great financing options. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.